In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add columns in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up PowerPoint and then select the Home tab. And now just navigate over to whatever slide you want to add columns for. And then over here, you want to locate something above the paragraph section that says, if you hover over it, add or remove columns. Click the drop down so you can add 1, 2, or 3, or you can do even more if you want to adjust them by selecting the more option. And then that's pretty much all you have to do. Again, just highlight over whatever text you want to do that for, and you can adjust how many columns you want to appear. And it's that simple. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.